Hi, and welcome to Market Conversations. Just want to do a quick video on FUBO. It was down over 5% today. The market rallied, but a lot of stocks were down. And FUBO has been on a downtrend since beginning of November. Did not expect the stock to be below 20, but here we are. Before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also have a Discord that I'm trying to grow. So if you guys are interested in selling options, whether that's cash, secure puts, or spreads, definitely come check us out. I'll go ahead and leave my link down below. So FUBO, wow. Let's just take a quick look at a yearly chart. Back last year, this stock was trading below $15. So we are at a very strong support right now, rallied all the way up to a high of 62, came back down to support levels, went back up to 36, tried to break that resistance, couldn't, came back down. We had a support around 25. So the last time it tried to break 35 was back in November, couldn't, and then we sold off, massive sell-off. Now we are around supports. So this $16 is actually a very strong support, held up in May, and then of course in November of last year. Let's take a quick look at the news here. It says option buyers get bullish on FUBO at key support levels. While the stock is down over 5% on Monday, option traders are getting bullish on FUBO TV as it approaches a key support level around $16. FUBO has been stuck between the $16 and $18 handles for over 3 weeks, continually finding bids off the key support level at $16, not having had a weekly close below since November 2020. Meanwhile, option traders have been buying up calls and spades today by a ratio of 5-1 and have traded over 61,000 options to start the week. That is a lot of options. The 61,000 plus options traded represents 15% of the total open interest. This shows a robust amount of activity from option traders. It should be noted that this is occurring during a holiday week, so option traders are heavily focused on the stock today. And this matters because anytime the options contracts trade on the day is above 10%, it shows a large amount of eyes on the stock between retail and institutional traders. The large amount of calls suggests option traders are bullish and expect the $16 support level to hold. While the short dated volumes are the largest on the day, with the 17 strike being the highest by volume, the January 21 expiry is showing a large amount of volume and open interest at the $21 strike image. Wow. I might consider these myself, since if FUBO can hold the $16 and get a nice bounce past the 17, this should shift the gamma structure to positive gamma net long options, which would be supportive of the stock building up to higher prices, potentially up to the $21 strike by the January expiry. If, however, the stock has a weekly close below the 16, then the stock will try to stabilize at the 15 strike where there is a solid open interest. So we'll take a quick look at the options chain. So they were talking about the 21 January. So the 20 strike price has 2,400 volume traded today. So definitely a lot of calls. And these are going for $52. So here is a strategy that you guys can implement if you are bullish on FUBO. And that would be possibly selling a put credit spread. So this is what I'm going to suggest in my Discord tomorrow is, since the support is around 15, what I'm going to do is sell it at 15 and then I'm going to buy it at 13 and I will receive a $45. So this is great if you have a small portfolio and you're trying to build it. Says here, max profit is $45. Our max loss is $155. Another way you can play this is to, of course, buy call options. Right now, I would suggest probably going at the money, which is $148. It's pretty pricey. You can consider a call debit spread. So we're going to buy the 18 and we're going to sell the 20. And you're only going to pay $42 and you can make a max profit of $158. So this is one strategy that you guys can implement. Another one is, of course, buying leap calls. So that way, if the stock doesn't go the way you want, at least you'll have plenty of time for the stock to move in your favor. Usually, I would go a year out. So the 1750 is going for $585 right now, which isn't bad. That gives you 1 year for the stock to go above 1750 plus your premium to actually break even. So the stock would actually need to go to around $22 for you to even break even. Let me know if you guys are playing FUBO. I'm going to do that spread tomorrow. Let me know if you guys want to do it together.